Wow, this is the biggest dumpling I've ever seen. This is all done. It's the Malaysian style dumpling. The reason why I make this dumpling because we couldn't find a Malaysian style dumpling over here, so we are making our own version of Malaysian style dumpling. Right, so you know what's gonna happen next?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat it. Okay, let's see. And look at the Chinese sausage. There's some this is mushroom, pork. Wow. Got Wow.
Hours later.
Hello, we're back again.
Hello.
Please like, subscribe.
And leave a comment down below.
Yes, if you like our video. So this is all done. It's the Malaysian style dumpling. The reason why I make this dumpling because we couldn't find a Malaysian style dumpling over here, so we are making our own version of Malaysian style dumpling. And basically we bought this dumpling leaf. which you can find in most Asian grocery or Asian supermarket, and just wrap it up with the rice. Look at that! How nice is that? So the reason why we make this one because it's a very convenient way of doing this without doing the small individual one, which normally you'll find in the supermarket. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cover this one with the plate, turn it over, and take it out. And let's see. Ooh, so this is like a cake. It's very easy to make. It's so much easier to make than the small individual one. And oops. Just gonna put it back in to the top. Wow, it smells very nice. Very authentic Malaysian taste. Wow, wow. Wow, this is the biggest dumpling I've ever seen. I'm sure this will be applicable to you as well. Anyway, look at the size of the Coke, and when the Coke is sitting beside the dumpling, look at how small this is, and look at how big this is. It's like a cake. It's a dumpling cake. The biggest dumpling cake ever! Woohoo! Right, so you know what's gonna happen next?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat it! Okay, let's see. So I've got 2 plates here. Excuse me, Coke. Alright, and I'll give you this one. Okay, we're gonna cut it like cutting through the cake. Yeah. And I'm gonna cut it in, cut it through. And just have it like this. This is probably the size of normal dumpling. Yep. So I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna share it with Avril. And you know what I like? I like to mix it with some chili sauce. That's a very Malaysian way of having dumpling with chili sauce. And look at the Chinese sausage. There's some, this is mushroom, pork, wow, scallop, wow. Wow, this is so yummy, so irresistible. I'm gonna have another one. Oh. You can taste the dry shrimp. Wow. This is so... Do you know what? This tastes exactly like what they usually sell in Malaysia in the market. And it actually tastes better because you got more mushroom and even the duck egg yolk. You can taste so much fresh. The way it's cooked is actually making the dumpling taste so much better. Wow. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Bye bye. We're gonna continue having our dumpling. Bye. See you.
See?